Hello.
Officer Jones, just making contact with you because we had an officer have a bike matching your description kind of take off on him. Where were you coming from?
I got a camera on me.
Okay.
I was coming from Berlin area.
Okay. So were you down like on State Highway 36 at all?
No, sir.
No? Okay. All right. You have your driver's license on you? I'm just going to identify you like that, and then I'm going to pass it on. And obviously you'll be able to look at the bike and what you're wearing and all that stuff. And if obviously you match his description, he may be calling you to talk to you. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Why'd you pull into the parking lot here?
I'm shooting videos. I do a YouTube.
Okay.
And I just got done shooting a video. So I'm stopping it, and then I was going to record another one.
Gotcha.
I'm just asking why I got pulled through. I didn't even notice that you were behind me until I pulled off into here.
Okay. As I turned, you kind of sped up, and then as I was speeding up, you kept speeding up. And then as I was speeding up to get your license plate, yeah, all of a sudden made a quick left-hand turn into here.
I'm sorry,
So
sir. I didn't.
It just all added up that on the white bike, male white helmet, you matched.
I'm sorry, sir.
criteria.
I didn't see you.
Yeah.
I'm just shooting a video.
Fine. That's fine. Like I said, I don't have anything on my side.
Okay.
It's more of what the other officer had down on 36. And he had the guy going about 128.
Oh no, sir.
So,
I got my camera on me.
Okay.
I'm recording the whole thing.
Yep.
So
I'm just telling you why
Okay,
the reason
I
why I'm
gotcha.
stopping you.
Yep.
Like I said, you matched some of the description. Obviously, there's a lot of Harleys and stuff around, but he was very specific that it was a sport bike.
Okay.
You know, and a male white helmet
I gotcha.
type deal. So that's the only reason I'm getting that information from you.
Understandable. 128. Like I said, I got my camera.
13.
We can go through my camera and we can show you that I'm not going 128.
Yep. Nope. That's fine.
So
Do you have it linked up so it registers like speed with your bike?